Hello, welcome back to the channel. So after we got back from China, we just did a whole lot of unpacking. I did get a few favorite things from China. One of them, which I mentioned in the last vlog, was the ball jointed dolls. I did do an unboxing earlier. Let's do an unboxing. So I got this while I was in China and I got 3 of them, but this is the only one that I haven't unboxed yet. These are all the choices. So my number 1 pick is this one because I really love her design. She has blue hair as well, and her clothing are really cool. And she's my second choice just because I feel like her hair is quite I guess universal, so it'll work with a lot of different outfits, and I also like the outfit here as well. No way! Got my second choice. So I got her. So in a box it comes with obviously the figurine. You can put a bold head on her, her wings, her bag, and her current hand and feet that you can put onto the joints that she already has. So it comes with a card. It's pretty solid. Some extra joints, an info pamphlet, her clothes, for all her clothes, for her leggings, the dress, and a jacket. Wow, this is really good quality. Put her dress on. It also has a little choker. also have 2 others. So I got 3 blind boxes, and these are the ones I got. Even though I love them all, my favorite one is this one, just mainly because her clothes are really cute, and then also the jacket, it's made very well. Like, it looks like a real life-size jacket. You can see all the zippers, all the sleeves, like it's very realistic. If I did see this like normal size one, I would totally get it. Her hair is also really cute, and I did dress her up in a different set of clothes and she looked really cute in it. Also, I got this extra outfit. We were told by the store person it might be a bit small for these figurines, but we'll see what it's supposed to look like. So with this set, it comes with an inner top and the dress, and then this goes on top of it. Has a sash belt, and it has a back bow that comes with little bells. So a little bit too small for her, just a tiny bit. A bit unfortunate. I made it fit. Yay! This is what it looks so far. Put it on. It's done. Wow. I'm so happy that she fits into this outfit. I feel like her style is very versatile, and I also really love the clothes that she came with. Since we went to China towards the end of the year, luckily they were already selling New Year's stuff, so I was able to pick up my first set of decorations, and it's Hello Kitty themed. We also picked up a Chinese calendar. Yay! When we did have some downtime at the hotel, I did some random scrolling and I came past a film camera that was going at a really good price on Amazon, and I contemplated about it for so long, and when I did settle for one that I wanted to buy, they sold out of the color that I wanted. So because of that, and I'm pretty sure it could be a sales gimmick, I ended up getting one in a different color that was a little bit more expensive. So this is the camera I got. It's the Kodak Ektar H35N. It's a pretty simple film camera. It cost around 100 AUD, and I've taken some really cool photos on it. Well, I think they're cool because I haven't played with film before. This is the film I'm currently using for it, and funny enough that I've been finding some really good deals for this film, so I'm really set for the next couple months with this film. But once I run out, I plan to explore more with different types of film. But I want to show you all my favorite shots. With a film camera, you do need to take it to a place to get the film developed, which is pretty quick. A lot of places do same day development. You usually get your digital scans on the day, and then based on the 2 places that I went to, one does same day like negative scans, so you can get your negatives back on the same day, and then the other you have to wait a few days. This one is $3 less for the service, which I feel like if I know that I'm going to go back into the city, I use this one, just because I have to wait a few days to get the negatives. However, if I don't have a scheduled time that I'm going to go back into the city, I'll use this one, just because with the cost of me catching a train, the $3 kind of balances out, and I might as well get it the same day. I use the film camera to take photos of living things, so it's either people or animals, or like, it's not living thing, but I really enjoy taking photos of the sunset and golden hour because it looks really nice on film. So with the film camera, I feel like more of my friends and family are inclined to be involved with photos with the film camera, and it does produce some really nice shots that look like you're from the 90s. Thanks for watching. If you do have any questions, leave them in the comments. Bye!